Hello everyone, welcome back. Been off the rats for quite a while now. Been more concentrating on the rabbits and the rimfire. But me and MP decided to go up and do a session on the rats at the stables and the pig farm. Wasn't disappointed at all. Plenty about. Weather's really nice. What we're going to do, we're going to give the rabbits a rest, let them breed for this month. We're going to do lots of ratting around all the permissions that we've got. So definitely more videos to come. So stay tuned. Oh, that's a difficult shot. There's one right there. Oh, yes, there he is in the water. Nice Texas. Oof. There he is, dead. Just told Phil, the owner, about this one. See him eating the one that I've just shot. To another Texas by the look of it. Straight through, straight dead. But he was eating that one there. So, might be a good little area this might. Been waiting ages for him to stick his head up. Nice clean headshot. There's one to the baited spot. Nice little hole that one is there. Looks like they come out of that hole into this pen where there's lambs and stuff. Big one on top of the corn. Empty magazine. Stop. Nice shot. Knew exactly where that cow was. Let's have a look on the thermal. Ah, yeah, there he is, flipping his legs. He's dead. Good night.
Free-hand shot.
I went for the hardest one, I'll be honest mate, I didn't think mine was spooky, I was going to do the other one.
There you go. Just finished him for you. You're out.
What the fuck?
One, two, three, four. There's 6 up there I've had in like how many minutes?
Oh, you did it 5 minutes.
Fuck.
Yeah.
End of the magazine.
Oh, near.
See that one down the bottom? Underneath the catering?
I think it's one you shot, mate.
It's not, it's moving. Watch.
No, come.
Nice Texas.
Whoa.
Gosh, this one's gonna hurt. Oh my!
Fucking hell.
He was a big fat fucker, wasn't he?
Okay.